Before installing Python, let's check whether it is already installed in our system or not. For that, open command prompt and type python hyphen version. If you see Python was not found, which means it is not installed in our system, close the command prompt and go to your browser and search for Python download. Click on the first link, scroll down a bit, check for the latest version, click on the download here, scroll down again and check for the Windows installer, click on it. Now it will download a exe file. Once it is downloaded, go to the downloads folder, double click on the file, and here you must check this checkbox. This is very important, and click on install now. It will take a few seconds to install. Wait for a second. It is getting installed. Now installation is successful, as you see. Close this and open command prompt again. Type python hyphen version. If you can see the Python version 3.14.2. Consider subscribing the channel if you like the content.